Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about how you can cancel automatic payments on PayPal. So for that you have to first of all open your PayPal from your website or from your phone, like opening the app. You have to go to settings and then click payments and select subscription and saved businesses. Select the merchant, and on this page you can cancel the automatic payments and change the backup payment method. So like how to change the payment method to automatic payment. So you can also select your current payment method and select a new payment method, or click link a new card or bank like Save. And contact information for your merchant can be found in this automatic payment. To update automatic payment method on the app, tap accounts, then subscription and save businesses. Tap merchant to view or update. You can update your preferred payment method. To remove a payment method on the app, you can tap on accounts, and after that you can tap subscriptions and saved businesses and tap the merchant to view or update, and then tap remove PayPal as your payment method. And that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.